Hi. Year 5 of the 10-year plan to restore Lancaster NX611 to airworthy condition is coming to an end. Year 6 will start on Monday, the 7th of November 2022. I spoke to Andrew a few months back about the time scale of the restoration. He thinks we're about 1 year behind due to COVID. I will continue counting in the same way, so the start of year 6 is November the 7th, 2022. Thanks to Andrew and the management team for allowing me to get close to the work, and of course the engineers for talking to me openly and explaining just what they're doing. Thanks for all your comments, support, advisory and technical. I learned a great deal about the restoration of aircraft from your comments and on the shop floor. So looking forward to year 6. Thanks for watching. Weeks passed since the start of riveting the new skins to the fuselage. Dave and Norman got on extremely well, and the riveting looks to be very high standard and very neat.
It could be the ambi drills. Yeah. Rear. Yeah, it's got it. Right, can put a gripper in just back from that.
Two volunteers, Phil and Dave too, applying finishing touches to the inside.
Might come up there and have a look. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, don't stand on that step.
I know. Slipping. Once it's
What's this, the joining plate?
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks neat. I say that looks neat, the skin's on there.
Yeah, it's come up alright.
Yeah.
Can't go any further.
Got you?
You need them 3 ribs in.
Sorry?
We need them 3 ribs in.
Oh, haven't the extrusions come back yet from?
No, another 2 weeks.
That's the trouble, the outside sources now hold you up such a lot. So you're going on to the leading edge now, eh? Getting that ready?
What I can.
Yeah.
This is the last one I've managed to repair.
Yeah.
That one is going to have to have the end cut off it.
Whereabouts will you cut it then? Back here or?
I haven't decided yet. That was the one that was completely crushed in.
Oh, was it? Yeah.
And it was completely...
Yeah. This video shows the leading edge Keith is talking about. This was taken on its arrival on June the 28th, 2021.
I managed to, with the hydraulic press all this out and all this. Yeah. But it's cracked there and broken off there. And it's still distorted here.
It is, yeah.
So
you'll have to...
But I can't cut it off yet because I need it as a gauge when I make the end ribs.
Oh, yeah.
To set the top of the end rib so I can put the stringers in. Because the stringers were all smashed to pieces as well.
Yeah.
So I've got to put new stringers in.
Yeah.
So I've got to know exactly where it sits.
Will you bother to put the bottom skins on below?
I'm still waiting for the taps for the plug.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you'd cover it up, wouldn't you, otherwise?
Yeah. So that's why they haven't gone on. Yeah. It's all wait for this, wait for that, wait for this.
This and the rudder from
Main
the cockpit.
control
Operate the elevators and the rudder. So pilot's inputs come down the side of the fuselage, right?
yeah.
Through these rods here, and they move backwards and forwards, and they actually operate the elevators and the rudder.
This is a Canadian-built Bristol Blenheim known as the Bolingbrook. John was a part of a 5-man team from East Kirkby but went to Canada to recover it. Took them about 5 days.
Yeah, that's what I've put down over in Canada. But looking at the other side, the last 2 numbers is an 8 and a 0. 9980, and Andrew's found the record card for it and flew a total of 18 and a half flying hours.
That's all it flew?
18 and a half.
You know, when you went out there, John, how many were they?
Of us?
Yeah.
5.
And what was it, in a field or?
It's in this storage compound, basically, which is in the middle of a wood.
Yeah. But it was outside.
Oh yeah. It's been outside for...
And who did it belong to then? The museum?
yeah, it all belonged to the museum. There was another 4 there.
Yeah.
Centre of Canada.
Whereabouts were you?
About 2 hours from Winnipeg, west of Winnipeg.
West of Winnipeg, were you?
Yeah. Right in the centre of Canada.
Yeah.
Manitoba.
Manitoba, right. And what do they call the air museum where it came from?
It's the Commonwealth Air Training Plan Museum. It's random.
Yeah. It's been out in the open all the time, had it?
For 80 years.
80 years.
80 years it's been out.
What actually are they going to do with it? Just do it as a static display, or are they going to
Taxi one.
taxi in it, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
What about the engines? Have you got any for it?
You have one.
Are they easy to come by?
No.
Oh. Got another container coming with a wing in.
No, we've got another Blenheim coming.
Another Blenheim coming, also yeah. Wings and fuselage.
Front fuselage, rear fuselage, tail section, no control surfaces, 2 pairs of outer wings, a centre section, and an engine, and several fuel tanks.
Yeah.
Well, we've got the centre section to come.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, that's in a big crate.
Yeah. So when will they come in by sea, obviously, and it'll take time.
It will take time because it'll have to go by road to the port, and it'll have to be escorted, it's so big.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. And you say this actual aircraft has only flown 17 hours,
18 and a half flying.
18 and a half flying hours.
Yeah.
Did it come down heavy, or was it just laid there and it's just rotted over the years?
No, it didn't come down at all. It was only used for 18 and a half hours, that many. But, you know,
Yeah.
that's all it was used. But there was another one there, which I found the history of, and done 197 flying hours.
Low.
Next to nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely next to nothing. But these are retrieved off farms. Because at the end of the war,
Yeah.
we scrapped everything.
Yeah.
We put holes and buried it all.
Yeah.
In Canada, they've had auctions, and the local farmers used to buy the aircraft for the fuel that was in the fuel tanks themselves, any hydraulic components, or anything they could use on the farm,
Yeah.
take them off it. They just strap them on the back of their tractors, and off they go across the prairie and take an aeroplane with them.
When you say about corrosion, I mean,
and John have finished riveting the first two skins onto the French wing. Their work looks neat and to a high standard. Back to the Doncaster fuselage.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. I reckon I can set some grippers out now. Yeah, I think so, yeah. All tacked in now. Yeah.
Way.
I reckon.
With the amount of rivets you've got to put in, you're doing well.
Well, putting quite a few in per day, yeah.
Yeah.
I reckon. Yeah, the next week shouldn't be far away, I think.
No.
Hopefully. You got that one in it? Short needs to be shorter. Yeah. Okay. Hit that again. Second one. Yeah. Just see the Dalek coming up in front of me. Just see the Dalek coming up in front of me. It's the camera. I wonder where it was. Just came up. Couple came through like that.
Terrible swing.
Yeah. Sat down, right? Yeah, definitely, yeah. Just back to bed, so I think I need back.
Tony's testing the lights ready for the night taxi run, which is on November the 5th, 2022 at East Kirkby. All 5,000 tickets are sold out. Is the starboard light on?